Hello students, welcome back to Tuition Masters Class 6 to 8 YouTube channel, and today we are over doing a bridge course session for my grade 7 students who have just entered grade 7. So if you have completed your grade 6 and now you have moved to grade 7, this is the best video for you. Today's video, we are going to discuss the mathematics and science syllabus of your CBSE and your grade 7 syllabus. So today हम लोग important topics and important questions discuss करेंगे based on your maths and science. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to your channel right away. Share it to your other friends as well so that you can easily they can also easily get access to the bridge course session. And also make sure to subscribe to our Tuition Masters Class 9th and 10th YouTube channel. So let us start with the bridge course. So basically, first we will go towards with mathematics. Okay. First we will see about maths. Now this math students जो भी आप पढ़ोगे in your grade 7, that is a mathematics which you will need in the upcoming grades. Okay, this is like the basic mathematics in your upcoming grades. 8th में, 9th में, 10th में, सब में आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी ये वाले mathematics की. So the mathematics you are learning वो एक foundation lay करेगा. That is a basic thing, and in upcoming classes you will study about it further. So I'll show you your syllabus now. Now your table of contents of the syllabus क्या है? You have integers, fractions and decimals, data handling, simple equations, lines and angles, the triangle and its properties, comparing quantities, a rational number, perimeter and area, algebraic expressions, exponents and powers, symmetry, and visualizing solid shapes. So these are your 13 chapters of mathematics. पूरे 7th ग्रेड में आप ये सारे चैप्टर्स पढ़ने वाले हो. Now, the thing is, I guess many of these chapters are totally new to you. What I want to do is, I want you to note down in your paper, okay, write down the important chapters which I'm telling you. Now, look over here. All these chapters are very important, but there are few chapters such as data handling, which is there in your 8th also and 9th also, and even in 10th in forms of statistics. ठीक है. Then fractions and decimals वो भी basic chapter है because आपको वो concept याद रखना है. Throughout your 10th grade तक आपको concept याद रखना है. Okay. Simple equation again till grade 10 होगा. Lines angles आपके 9th grade में वापस आएगा, same chapter है. Okay, remember same chapter है आपके 9th grade में भी. Triangle and its property not that important. Comparing quantities ये important है. Okay. Rational numbers again you have to remember the concept. Perimeter area again 10th तक surface area बन जाता है. Okay. Algebraic expression very important. Algebra का हर एक topic बहुत important होता है. Exponents and powers बात करें in 8th grade also you will have the same chapter. Then symmetry and visualizing solid shape is just for your fun. Okay. Um, सो बेसिकली ये जो चैप्टर्स हैं ये आपके सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर्स है जो आपको यूज करने हैं इस साल कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 इन 7 चैप्टर्स को आपको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना है. ओके. आई विल ऑल्सो बी देयर विद यू फॉर दिस एंटायर जर्नी व्हाइल वी स्टडी दिस चैप्टर्स. ऑलराइट. अब देखो, आई लेट मी गिव यू सम टिप्स. ठीक है, आई गिव यू सम टिप्स फॉर योर मार्क्स. अब देखो टिप्स क्या है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द मैथ्स आपको लगता होगा 13 चैप्टर इतने सारे चैप्टर्स कैसे कंप्लीट करें हम. Now the thing is, it is most important that you have to practice mathematics. You cannot learn. If you open your textbook and start reading, nothing will work. Okay, nothing will work. Okay, then the next thing is आपको practice करना है. The topic which you study, you have to practice that good topic. Let us say आज आपने पढ़ा about integers. Okay, let's say you have studied how do we add proper fraction. Let's say 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2. How to add this? How to add such kind of fractions? You study. Now, what you have to do, if you keep on just reading, okay, you have to make the LCM common, then you have to add the numbers back. No, you cannot learn that. With maths आप वैसे नहीं पढ़ सकते हो. You have to practice it. Okay, you studied how do we add it. Now go ahead and solve some questions. Okay. refer to NCERT. NCERT पे आप stick कर सकते हो. If your school has some other textbook, syllabus same ही होता है. If you're in CBSE, syllabus same ही होता है. If the syllabus matches with the syllabus I showed you, आप NCERT को बिल्कुल refer कर सकते हो. And even the exemplar question, NCERT हर grade के लिए, I guess from fifth onwards, exemplar questions release करती है for all grades. So you can refer that and solve those questions also. नेक्स्ट is solve each and every exercise and examples from the text. आपकी जो भी टेक्स्ट बुक हो, नॉट नेसेसरी ओनली एनसीईआरटी, कोई भी आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक, इन सब के एग्जाम्पल्स एंड एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व करो. मैथ्स, इन मैथ्स वॉट एवर एग्जाम्पल्स एंड एक्सरसाइज यू हैव टू सॉल्व ईच वन, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट दैट आज हमने 10 कर लिया बहुत हो गया. नो, यू कैन नॉट नेवर, यू कैन नेवर स्टॉप फॉर मैथ्स की नो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड एवरीथिंग. नो, यू कैन नेवर कंप्लीट मैथ्स. ओके, सो कीप ऑन सॉल्विंग. And at least 1 hour a day, you should solve questions. You should keep 1 hour, or if not 1 hour also, you should at least keep 25 minutes. 25 minutes, I'm telling, for mathematics. Okay? 25 minutes for mathematics you should keep in a 1 hour. अगर आप हर दिन you study for 1 hour self study. Okay? No tuitions, not that. Was self study. 25 minutes should be for maths where you will do all the important questions. 5 minutes, 25 minutes and 5 minutes रखो for the quick revision of बाकी का 20 minutes you should do as many questions as possible. ये हो गया आपका maths के लिए. Now, let me tell you some important type of questions. आपके ओवरऑल, आपके ओवरऑल चैप्टर्स में से, ओके, आपके ओवरऑल चैप्टर जितने भी है, ऑल आर इम्पोर्टेंट, बट मेजर इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस क्या आते हैं ग्रेड 7 में से एज पर एक्सपीरियंस एंड देखो. फर्स्ट थिंग इज योर नंबर लाइन. आपको ये आना चाहिए कि नंबर लाइन इंटीजर्स में आप पढ़ोगे अभी 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड इट कीप्स गोइंग. ये तो आता है. Now you study a new set of numbers, that is -1, -2, -3. ये नंबर लाइन होता है. Now the thing comes कि the thing is you have to add it, like ऐसा आ सकता है -1 plus 2. What is the answer? -1 plus 1, 2. That gives you +1. So you will study the rules. आप rules पढ़ोगे कि अगर दो नंबर्स नेगेटिव है या दोनों पॉजिटिव है या एक नंबर नेगेटिव है दूसरा पॉजिटिव, तो हम एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे करेंगे. Similarly, coming to next, addition and subtraction, multiplication of fractions. 3 by 4 plus, minus, into, divided by any other fraction. Okay, let's say 5 by 6. You will learn how do we do this. Operations आप use करोगे. Same for decimals also. ठीक है. ज्योमेट्री की बात करें so you have lines and angles. Lines and angles में आपको properties पढ़नी है. For example, these two angles, let's say this is A, this is B. The property says that A and B are equal to each other. Why? Because they're vertically opposite angles. Okay? Then you will even study that अगर आपके पास एक straight line है और ऐसा कुछ figure है, this angle plus this angle, let's say A and B. So A plus B will give you 180 degree. Why? That is known as the linear pair of angles. Okay? Alright? अब देखो. A plus B is 180, isn't it? So ये आपका होगा सप्लीमेंट्री पेयर. ठीक है, एंड लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स एज वेल. ये सेम कॉन्सेप्ट जो लाइंस एंड एंगल्स का, दैट इज सेम टू सेम आपके नाइन्थ में भी. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, parallel lines, in this line which cuts two parallel lines is known as a transversal. So you will study about the different types of angles formed with this. Okay, symmetry तो आपको आती है, right? Like let us say if you have any alphabet, let's say H. What is the line of symmetry? 1 and 2, like that, isn't it? If I say A, for A, like this is the symmetry. Let us say T, like this is the symmetry, correct? Now, if I say R has symmetry, no symmetry spelling. ठीक है, symmetry वैसा हो गया, isn't it? So all these are the important type of questions which you get in this grade. Okay, ये सारे important questions हैं. Now let's move towards your science. Science, ये वाला science again interesting है आपके environment के बारे में. All everything around you it will show you. And this science is even there in your 10th grade. साइंस जो है ये वाला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज आपके 10th ग्रेड में भी ये सेम साइंस आएगा. लेट मी शो यू द चैप्टर्स. So in science, you have nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals, heat, acid basis salts, physical chemical changes, respiration, transportation in animals and plants, reproduction in plants, motion and time, electric current and its effects, light, forests are lifeline, and wastewater storage. This is your grade 7 का syllabus of science. Okay? Now, the thing is, अभी आई टेल यू फ्यू चैप्टर्स. ग्रेड 10 में जब भी आप जाओगे आपका बायोलॉजी का सबसे पहला चैप्टर है लाइफ प्रोसेसेस. उसमें न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स, न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स, रेस्पिरेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, ये सारी चीजों को कंबाइन कर दिया. चार चैप्टर्स एक ही चैप्टर में कंबाइन होंगे. इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स है. सिमिलरली एसिड बेसिस सॉल्ट्स जो आपके सेम चैप्टर का नाम है 10th ग्रेड में भी. ओके. देन रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड इट्स इफेक्ट्स एंड लाइट. लाइट तो आपको 8th ग्रेड में भी काम आने वाला है. Okay, and 8th grade we will study more about reproduction, so reproduction in plants also. So these are the list of important chapters. ठीक है. ये चैप्टर्स ऐसे चैप्टर्स ज्यादा मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. अपकमिंग ग्रेड्स में भी questions will be asked from this, so you should have the basic knowledge. Okay. Now let me tell you some tips for science also. Now these, as I said, many of these topics are also coming in your grade 10. Light chapter तो 8th में भी आ जाएगा आपके लिए. Okay, so grade 10 में भी many topics आएंगे. So how should you study for science? First thing is you should be thorough with the textbook explanation. अब इसमें ज्यादा solving के लिए नहीं. Now you're in 7th, so ज्यादा solving के लिए नहीं होता. But as you go ahead, you have to solve things. So अभी you can easily sit with the textbook and start reading. Yes. So whatever is given in the textbook, you should be very thorough with it. Okay. You should be thorough that जो लिखा है हमको सब याद है. Next, focus on all the explaining done by your teachers. As your teachers teach, if you follow any other YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, whatever we are explaining, you should focus on all of them. Try to make notes. Okay, while you're in a class, जब भी आप कोई क्लास में हो, make sure that you start writing notes. You make notes on what the teacher is explaining. Now, let us say today we are going to learn acid basis salts. So whatever I'm teaching you on the board, make sure to write things down as well. Okay. Next, try doing questions of the chapter you already studied. जैसे let us say आपने nutrition in animals का पूरा chapter complete कर दिया. So now go ahead search, and if you search one Google, okay, go on Google search nutrition in animals class 7 questions, important questions. You will get thousands and thousands of questions, so you can solve it, right? After that, make a mind map for each chapter with all important topics. How do you make a mind map? Mind map is nothing but आप बीच में लिखोगे chapter का नाम in the middle, and then you will make the different arrows for your topics. ठीक है. You will write the topic names. ठीक है कि कौन से topics है. For example, let me tell you, अगर acid basis salts का बना रहे हो, so acids, bases, how are salts formed, neutralization, indicators, एग्जाम्पल्स. ठीक है. और इनमें भी आप थोड़े से सब टॉपिक्स लिख सकते हो. नाउ व्हाई हाउ विल दिस हेल्प यू? दीज माइंड मैप्स विल हेल्प यू ड्यूरिंग योर एग्जाम टाइम. जब आप एग्जाम से पहले आपको रिवीजन करना है, लेट्स से आपका एग्जाम है एट 10 o'clock, तो अगर आप 8 o'clock को बैठे आपको एग्जाम के लिए आप पूरी टेक्स्ट बुक तो आप पढ़ नहीं सकते. सो यूजिंग दिस वन पेज मैनुअल, इट शुडंट बी लॉन्ग. ज्यादा लंबा 5-6 पेजेस का नहीं, एक पेज पे. ओके. वन पेज पे A4 पे आप बनाओ. ठीक है. सो व्हाट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इज आप हर चैप्टर का माइंड मैप बना के रखोगे, सो एज सुन एज योर एग्जाम का मैं वो माइंड मैप को रेफर कर सकते हो. ऑलराइट. दैट इज फॉर योर साइंस. Again, important types of questions, let me tell you. Thing is, you should be well aware of conversions. Minutes to seconds, hours to minutes, hours to seconds, and vice versa. You should be well aware of it. अब different types of motion पढ़ोगे, rectilinear motion, circular motion, and all those type of motion. Light में you will study an important definitions. Two important definitions. First one is lateral inversion, and second one is known as rectilinear propagation of light. These two are the most important questions for your grade 7 physics. अब physics में हो गया light chapter में से. Lateral inversion क्या होता है? Left up. If you go in front of a mirror, you can see. अगर आप अपना right hand ऊपर करते हो, so in the mirror it is left. And अगर आप अपना left hand ऊपर करते हो in the mirror, it is right. That is lateral inversion. Rectilinear propagation of light says that the light travels in a straight path. How? You will understand in your light chapter. Okay. Then, talking about reproduction in plants, you will study about the structure, the female as well as the male structure in a flower. If you have ever seen hibiscus, the a female parts, there are three female parts that is known as the stigma, style, and ovary that converts into a fruit. And male, we have the anther and the filament. Okay, and there are other forms of reproduction wherein parents are not one single organism, one single organ like a amoeba. It will divide into two daughters. It will divide into two daughter cells. So that is another example of reproduction. So that is your important questions. Okay. So grade 7 science में आपको ऐसे type के questions बनेंगे. Okay. Digestion and everything as well. Okay. So विद दिस हमने आज का सेशन कंप्लीट कर लिया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप आपको आइडिया मिल गया होगा कि यार ग्रेड 7 मैथ्स और साइंस में क्या मिलने वाला है आपको, राइट? सो इट विल बी अ वेरी बिग फन. मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन so that you get regular notifications of all our videos and all our live lectures as well. Make sure to subscribe the channel, then hit the bell icon, like this video, share with your friends, comment कर आपको कैसी लगी वीडियो. I'll see you in your next coming classes. Till then, take care and goodbye.